making a difference.
They call it the Geek Squad Academy.
Best Buy's Geek Squad is teaming up with the Boys and Girls Clubs.
They're inspiring kids to dive into the world of computers, science, and invention.
Best Buy
Geek Squad Academy
now takes place in 30 cities across the country.
Camp counselors are computer geeks, the ones from Best Buy.
It's the personal connection with these experts that seems to have made the biggest impact on the young people.
Best Buy donated $7,000 to the school's robotics team.
$10,000. That's how much money Best Buy donated. They gave away nearly $10,000 to a nonprofit.
A $100,000 grant from Best Buy.
It's a blessing that St. Jude's is here.
I think we can make a difference. So we make a difference for the employees, for the customers, but also the communities in which we live.